This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Kurt Chandler. Secluded. Quiet. Private. Natural. Build your dream home nestled among majestic oaks in the rolling hills of Lake Tarpon. Go ahead. Close your eyes. Imagine your new home. Nestled among the oaks. Sunny skies. Starry nights. Soft breezes from the lake and fresh air. Back to nature. A solitude foreign to city streets, historical bricks lining double-wide boulevards. Surrounded by rolling hill sites and private narrow streets. The side yard of your property would be perfect for your boat storage, or go to the Grandview boat dock and go fishing in the 2,500-acre lake after work or all weekend long. Seemingly far from the hustle and bustle of a busy world, yet an easy drive to the north and west of Tampa's commercial centers in less than 20 minutes. Go ahead. Bring the pets and plant your garden. Life will never be the same again. Located on the west shores of Lake Tarpon, last undeveloped areas of Pinellas County, just south of Keystone Road off of South Highland Avenue. Just minutes from Anderson County Park, one of the highest elevations in Pinellas County at 56 feet. Minimum square feet recommended is a modest 2,000 square feet with a 2-car garage or 3-car. But there is no homeowners association or annual dues. And the best news is the surprisingly low price that you will not want to miss. All the home sites are located in the historical 1924 platted Gnuoy Park subdivision, each of the building's pads ranging from 40 feet to 70 feet width and the home's building pad depth of 85 feet to 180 feet depths, without the pools. All the finished building pads are within compliance with the City of Tarpon Springs, R70A, zoning requirements, which provides for dual residence. The finished building pads are sold in the existing conditions and topographical conditions. See construction details. Some home site is better suited for split-level designs. Basements and some lot elevations and grades are better suited for slab-on-grade designs and height regulations up to 35 feet. The home site packages range from $150,000 to $590,000 each depending on size, elevations, and additional services required. These prices do not reflect all the additional home sites that we have available in North Tampa Bay. For more information, review the details below or